Hello everyone, it's indeed inspiring to see you back again. In this video, we are talking about how you can create a data frame using a dictionary. Also, we will talk about what is a series, what is a panel, and at last, we will also check the version of pandas. So I hope you will like this video.
So pandas is a library used for working with datasets. It has functions to analyze, cleaning, exploring, and manipulating data. The pandas has reference to both, you can say panel data or Python data analysis, and it was created by Wes McKinney in 2008. Let us now try to explore more on pandas. So I have already loaded a data set, and that data set is a very small data set. So I will be helping you out with certain other data sets as well. We have known that how to import pandas, and now let me help you with that. If you don't have a data set, then how you can create a data set with your basic knowledge of Python dictionaries. So let me have a dictionary over here. So create a pandas data frame using Python dictionary. So let me show you that. So my DICT, my dictionary is equal to. Dictionaries are created with the help of curly braces, and we have to put keys and values over there. So let's say I'm putting the keys as EMP ID. So I'm putting key as EMP ID, employee ID. And here I have a list, and the employee IDs are 100, 101, 102, and 103. So as the number you will increase, you'll have to put a similar number of arguments for the rest of the records as well. This is one key value pair. Now I'm passing the other key value pair, and it is name. Name is the key, and the values are, here we have AMAR Amar, and then we have RAUNAK Ronak, and after that we have NIKHIL Nikhil, and then we have three are done. So total five values we have: 100, 101, 102, 103, and 104. So for all of them, I'll have to put, here we have MOHIT Mohit, and then we have LISA Lisa. So these are the names. And similar way, if you want salary, you can put the salary as well as SALARY salary. And this is the key values are, let's say 10. So let's say 10 LPA is the value, and 23 LPA is the value, 45 LPA is the value, 52 LPA is the value, and 14 LPA is the value. So again, five values I have put. So this is the dictionary I have created, my dict. Now, with the help of a pandas function, I'll create a data frame. So my df, I'm just naming it as my df is equal to pd.dataframe, data frame, pd.data frame, and here mydict, my dict I'm putting. And let me show you. So first of all, I'll be showing you that how the dictionary got created. So print mydict, print my dict. So here you can see this is the dictionary, and I just transformed or used that particular dictionary to create a pandas data frame, and you can see that how this data frame looks like now. So this data frame looks like a table, a two-dimensional table. So that's wonderful, right? So we have two-dimensional table over here. Now pandas is having these data frames which are nothing but a table-like structure, 2D table-like structure. If we just call upon one-dimensional data in pandas, that is called as series. So one-dimensional data is series, and similar way, two-dimensional data is data frame. Then if we have multi-dimensional, that is actually called as panel or array. So multi-dimensional array. So this is how basically pandas handles data in 1D, 2D, and multiple dimensions. So we will be mostly working with the two dimensionals as of now. because that is a good way to start with, and then basically you can work with higher dimensional data. So here you can see that I was successfully able to create the data frame or a table like structure with the help of pandas data frame and with the help of a dictionary. If you want to know that what is the version of your pandas which is installed, so you can type pd dot underscore underscore version version underscore underscore, and here you will get that my pandas version is 1.3.5. So this is how you can get to know about the version of a pandas whatever library you have installed in your environment. That's it for this particular video. Keep watching, remain motivated.
I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any queries, you can write down to us in the comment section below. You can like this video, you can share it with your friends, and you can also subscribe to our channel for more such videos. Thank you.